Good morning, students. Let us continue with our topic long and short. Open page number 17 of your book. On this book, there is a long jump for boys, and we have been given scores of the three boys. Dhanu has the longest jump of 2 meter and 40 centimeter. Gurjeet is second. His jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's jump. Gopi comes third, and his jump is only 5 centimeter less than Gurjeet's jump. Below this statement, we have been given questions. How long are Gurjeet's and Gopi's jump? We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and Dhanu jump is 3 meter and 40 centimeter. Gurjeet's jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's jump. So in order to find out Gurjeet's jump, we will subtract 20 centimeter from Dhanu's jump. यानी कि 3 मीटर 40 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 20 सेंटीमीटर. सो गुरजीत जंप वुड बी 3 मीटर एंड 20 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ लेट्स फाइंड आउट गोपीज जंप. स्टूडेंट्स, गोपीज जंप इज 5 सेंटीमीटर लेस देन गुरजीत जंप. सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 फ्रॉम 3 मीटर एंड 20 सेंटीमीटर. सो द आंसर इज 3 मीटर एंड 15 centimeters. Students, let me clear you one thing. Whenever we are adding or subtracting, we always write centimeter against centimeter and meter against meter. We never write meter and centimeters together like this. We can't subtract like this. So, in order to find out the correct answer, always subtract like this. So, we find out Gurjeet's jump and Gopi's jump in a correct way. Now, we will continue with the page number 18. On this page, we have been given world record and Indian record of long jump men, high jump men, high jump women and long jump women. So, watch this video, watch this table and answer the question. First question is, how many centimeter more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? Students, let's see Chandrapal's record. It is equal to 2 meter and 17 centimeter. And Xavier's record is 2 meter and 45 centimeter. So in order to find out their difference between the two jumps, we will subtract Chandrapal's jump from Xavier's jump. So we will subtract 2 meter and 17 centimeter from 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Only that way we could find out the difference between the two. So after subtracting both the units, we get answer 28 centimeter. Now the second question is, how many centimeter higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meter? So Bobby A score is 1 meter and 91 centimeter. She needs plus 9 centimeter more to reach 2 meter. So the correct answer is 9 centimeter. Third question is, Galina's long jump is nearly, हमने बताना है nearly वो कितना है. Galina's jump is nearly 7.5 meter. So that is the correct answer. Now fourth question, look at the women's world record. What is the difference between long jump and the high jump? So let's see. Long jump women world record is Galina's. It is 7 meter and 52 centimeter. And high jump women Stefka record is 9 meter and 2 meter and 9 centimeter. So in order to find out the difference between two, we will subtract. Only then we can find out the difference. So after subtracting meter from meter and centimeter from centimeter, we got the answer 5 meter 43 centimeter. Now next question is, if Mike P would jump dash centimeter longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. So let us find out Mike's jump. It is 8 meter and 95 centimeter. So 95 centimeter is just 5 centimeter less than 1 meter. So the answer is 5 centimeter. Yani Mike should jump 5 centimeter more to reach 9 meters. Now the last question is, whose jump is very close to 2.5 meter? We have been given choices: Stefika, Chandrapal, Xavier, Bobby A. So let us find out. Stefika is 2 and 9 and Bobby A is 1 and 91 and Xavier is 2 meter and 45. So of course we can find out from the three scores that Xavier's score is quite near to 2.5 meters. So this is the right answer. This was in all for today's video. We will continue in the next video. Thank you. Stay safe. Have a nice day.